All right, here's a follow-up video for the F-150. If you caught the last video when I described the guys that drop it off, the same person who owned the Mustang, but I did the full vehicle and the full windshield. The owner also wants the F-150 done. We did the front two already. We did that with just 35, but we are gonna add 50 on the windshield. So that's kind of what we're gonna do in this video here. So the last video was when I broke down and did the a really detailed description of the window tint on the front doors. So that was starting to get kind of long. I decided to break it up and make a second video. So this one's gonna be a little quicker. I'm just looking to get real high level, kind of just have the camera rolling as I get after it. I've got the windshield prepped already. I've already wiped it with the Bounty dryer sheet so you can kind of see the streaks on there. It's just that softening agent that really allows the tint to slide freely as you go through the heat process to allow it to shrink appropriately. So that's a good trick. But I've got that on there and dry. So the next thing is just ready to get the tint cut, sorry, and lay it on there, get it in position, trim to fit, and start applying some heat. So take a peek as we shrink the windshield. All right, worked up a good sweat, shrinking the windshield, but that's all good to go. Just have to do a cut around the perimeter to get it to shape, to make sure that it fits appropriately on the inside. Give the inside a scrub and a squeegee just to make sure that it's prepped and clean, and then boom, ready to lay the tint on the inside. So that's the next step. Let's do that. All right, and that wraps up the F-150. We got the front two doors and the windshield all taken care of. 35 on the doors, 50% on the windshield. Lighter film, really like it. I've done it before on a previous couple of vehicles of mine. It's nice. Honestly, at night, I don't feel like it really reduces the visibility for driving, but it does help with oncoming traffic and the headlight glare. But then, of course, during the day, you've got the UV protection and a little bit of reduced sunlight there as you're driving through the day. So, yeah, it's kind of nice, a little stylish, little touch. Do be respectful of your local state laws, though. It's not common to see that many states allow the windshield tint, but 50% just kind of keeps it a little more respectful, not getting really crazy with like 35 or 20%, which could really be pretty dark. So anyway, that wraps up the F-150. I broke this one up into 2 videos. So if you want to see the doors again, check the channel. You see the other video there. But yeah, I really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next video.